JC, I tried to bring some flavor of spring to the studio today, but of course it's raining outside now, so that's just my luck.
Right, and I hear that we're actually supposed to get a lot more. Jordan, can you tell us more?
That's right. We have a flood watch that was issued yesterday for Norman, and they've just extended it this afternoon to also include the Lawton metro area. So now we have most of the metro areas and I-44 corridor now under a flood watch. That's until tonight, until Friday evening tomorrow around 10 o'clock. And the reason for that, we're going to see a lot of rain. That's coming up in a bit. But right now, temperatures started to warm up, and then we had the showers and the clouds move in, and the temperatures have stopped. We're sitting right at 70 degrees, whereas we're sitting at 78 and 79 in southern Oklahoma. That's thanks to this cold front that you can see starting to move to the south. That's going to be the focus for some storms coming up for tonight. We have an active Friday ahead, lots of storms, and maybe some severe weather. We're going to talk all about that coming up in Maine weather, but for now, back to you guys at the desk.
Thank you, Jordan.
Welcome back to OU Nightly. I'm Jordan Everett to look at your weather. So we have a live look outside right now, and we can see the clouds have increased. It is a little windy. Right now we're sitting at 70 degrees, which is where we kind of topped off earlier today once the cold front moved through and brought us northeast winds. Our dew point is still sitting at 59, so it still is muggy outside for most of the area. But taking a look at our radar, we have changes coming on the way. So here we go. Right now, we do have a few showers and storms that are moving through the region right now. So here they are in eastern Oklahoma, and this is all part of a cold front. And what that's going to do is that's going to stall out overnight tonight, and it's going to set the stage for a chance for severe weather tomorrow. Now, what's going to happen is that front stalls out. It comes back to the north as a warm front. And so it comes back to the warm as a warm front, and then behind it, warm, moist air coming into the surface. At the same time, above our heads, up inside the atmosphere, the jet stream will be over us. And so when you combine those two, you have the chance for severe weather and a lot of storms. And that is the case for tomorrow. So let's play this out. When we get to tonight, right now, we have clear skies, basically. We'll have not very much rain, but that's going to increase as we go through the evening tonight. So the rain and the showers and the thunderstorms start to increase. By the time we get to midnight, widespread showers and storms all across the state. Again, that boundary is sitting about right there, and so all the storms will develop just to the northwest of it overnight tonight. And these are mainly looking at a lot of rain and maybe some small hail with these storms. Now that continues for most of the night tonight overnight. Then when we get to Friday tomorrow morning, you can see the rain continues. And there's up front, the boundary that we keep talking about. It's the main setup for storms. But watch what happens to the south of the boundary as I animate this out. Watch right there. That right there is a supercell, and that's what it would be, a supercell. And that is the main threat for severe weather. So for us here in Oklahoma City, Tulsa, Norman, we have a chance for severe weather, but it's pretty low. It's mainly basically a slight chance. The best chance is going to be down to our south, to the south of the warm front. And so we're looking at how much rain. That's the biggest issue. Look at this, 1 inch, 2 inch, even topping off near 4.5 inches in some places, locally higher amounts. So the biggest concern is flooding. That's what I'm most concerned about, is the flooding. Then there is that hail threat. Then we have the wind threat. The tornado threat, again, is very, very low. It's not that big of a deal for us here in Norman. Then we send the forecast out. There's a chance for rain. Tapers off on Saturday, though, and then once we get to the beginning of the week, we start to warm up. We get to 74 degrees on Monday, and then by the time we get to the end of the week, we're inside the 80s, where there's some indications that we may actually hit 90 by the time we get to Thursday of next week.
Wow, so rain boots tomorrow and shorts next week.
Exactly, rain boots and then shorts.
Wow,
typical April in Oklahoma.
I need that warm weather for sure.
That's true. That's true. And Saturday, around 60 degrees. So it will be cool on Saturday. So make sure you're ready for that on Saturday.
Oh, well, thank you, Jordan.
Jordan, one more look at the forecast?
Yeah, that's right. We have the chance for storms coming in for tonight and then into tomorrow. And then it'll clear out. Cooler on Saturday, though, and then we dry out for the rest of next week.
Thank you, Jordan.
Thanks.
And thank you for watching OU Nightly, brought to you by the Gaylord College of Journalism and Mass Communication on the campus of the University of Oklahoma.
Thanks for watching.